Hello, let's do the Netflix puzzled Starstruck and snippets for July 15th. We'll do the easy and hard Starstruck. Easy is called framed square. So in every row, every column, and every colored region, we're placing exactly one star. Stars also can't touch each other. All right, so this is a gimme, this is a gimme. We have 2 in red left. That removes those and these 2 that touch the 2 reds. Yellow has 1 left then. That gives us red and green. And last one in indigo and brown. In fact, we could have placed that brown right at the start. That probably would have helped a little bit. All right, let's do the hard. It's called Echo's Answer. All right, we can place this corner. We're going to do it this time. The logic is that this column's going to place a star in green, and this row is going to place a star in green. In order for this column and this row to have a star and not put 2 in green, which is a violation, then we have to put it where they intersect in the corner. All right, this formation gets rid of this one and this one. That sees the whole thing. This is now down to 2. That removes the rest of the column and this one that sees both of them. Yellow is now down to this vertical, so it gets rid of those. And orange is just this vertical. It gets rid of that one. All right. What next? It seems like okay, so this is kind of a square analysis that is really important to understand in harder Starstruck puzzles, especially 2-star Starstruck puzzles. These are called star battles, but whatever. You can only have 1 star, up to 1 star, right? You don't have to, but you can only have as many as 1. You maximum 1 star in a 2x2 area, because as soon as you put 1 star in it, it's going to touch the other 3. And so these 2 columns need 2 stars. And so there's going to be a star in this square, and there's going to be a star in this, because we can't put 2 in here. We can't put 2 in here. And so that probably does something. Well, it means we need a star in one of these 2. So that removes the rest of the row. And that means blue's in one of these 2, which removes those and this one. And it means that we have 1 in one of these 3, which removes this that touches those 2 and shares a row with that one. All right, is that enough? Yeah, orange is down to these 2, so that gets rid of those 2. Oh, and red is down to these 2, which this one touches both. And so now I think I got rid of the one to the left, not the one to the right. But anyway, I got there. That gives us this blue. What else does it give us? Oh, orange is these 2, so that gets rid of this one. And so now we're in one of these 2, which gets rid of that one. So that places that star, and orange, and yellow, and red, and brown, and we're done. All right, I like that one. I liked the 2 squares there for the 2 columns. Alrighty, so we're going to go back to snippets. Let's play that. Called Thick Skinned. It's a cactus. All right. Well, 1 is 1. 2, it does 2. This has to do... So because every single cell needs to be in a rectangle, that one goes to the 2, and that one goes to that 2. This one needs to be in something. The only way to do it is to just do a 4 that way. This does 2. This needs to be a 4. It can't go left. It can't make a square, so it's going to take those 4. Only option. This one could be from the 3 or the 2. This 2 can go up or left. This one can't be from the 2, so it has to be from the 3. Now this has to... Oh, this could come from the 4, actually. Let's see. This 3 has to do that. That 3 does that. That 2 does that. Now that 3 does that. 4 does that. 2 does that. And we're done. All right. Yeah, I'm not minding these. They're not particularly difficult, but they do work the brain a little bit, I think. Anyway, how'd you do?